Hi everyone, welcome to Perfectly Tossed. Let's make potato bread pockets. This is a perfect starter recipe which can be made in no time. All you need are few boiled potatoes, few slices of bread, and some leftover vegetables in your fridge. So let's begin. First step is to grate the boiled potatoes. We have taken 3 boiled potatoes which we have peeled. Once the grated potatoes are ready, we will add chopped green chilies to it. Then we add 1 cup chopped capsicum, 1 cup chopped onions, half a cup of finely chopped coriander leaves, some garlic powder, chaat masala, salt, and red chili powder. Give it a good mix. You can also use your hands to form a soft dough. Potato filling is ready. Let's keep this aside. Now take 4 slices of bread and cut the sides. Take a rolling pin and roll each slice until it is very thin. Now take a spoonful of the filling and arrange it on one side of the bread. Now apply some water on the sides of the bread so that it sticks to each other. Now fold the bread on one side and seal it from all the sides. Make sure there are no gaps, else the potato filling may come out while frying. Prepare all other slices of bread in the similar manner. The bread pockets are ready to be shallow fried. Fry on a medium flame so that the breads get a nice golden brown color on both the sides. Once done, remove the bread pockets on a paper towel and they are ready to serve. You can enjoy this snack with tomato ketchup or any chutney of your choice. If you like this recipe, do like and share. Thanks for watching.